Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to delete your WordPress website and start over with a fresh slate. Whether you're dealing with a cluttered site or just want to revamp your design, these steps relate perfectly to each other to wipe the slate clean in under 2 minutes. First, log into your hosting account and access the cPanel dashboard. From there, find and click on the File Manager option. Navigate directly to your site's directory. This is typically found inside the public_HTML folder or a folder named after your domain. Once you're inside, need to identify the core WordPress files. Look for the WP admin, WP content, and WP includes folders. Select all of these along with the loose files in that folder and click delete at the top. This effectively removes the body of your website. Now, to truly start over, you have to delete the database as well, which is where all your posts and settings live. Go back to your cPanel main screen and click on MySQL databases. Scroll down to find the database associated with your site, click delete, and then do the same for the database user. If you want an even faster route, look for the Softaculous apps installer in cPanel. Find your WordPress installation and hit the red trash icon, and this will delete the files and the database all at once for you. That is literally it. Your site is now a blank canvas ready for a fresh install. If this quick guide helped you clear out the old and get ready for the new, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to reinstall WordPress using Softaculous next, and I'll see you in the next video.